This here is what used to be the main entrance of Mote Park for people parking their cars. Look what it looks like now. It's absolutely devastating. Most of the trees were knocked down. How are we doing? Martin and Jake here. We're at Mote Park today and we're just going to have a quick look around and show you the devastating effects of the storm a year ago. Look at all the wood that's piled up on either side. It's a lovely playground here. Definitely something positive, especially for the kids. A good reason to go to Mote Park. It's like a giant Trojan horse. A squirrel made of wood. What do you think about it?
It's fun.
You've already been here earlier today. Take a look at this. Hard to believe this used to be Mote Park. Right here. This used to be all dark with all the trees left and right. 100-year-old trees. Look at all the piles of wood now. There's a hollow tree. You gotta check it out. You're gonna check out that tree. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at all the wood. Look at the amount of wood here. Why did they take down all the trees, even though probably less than half of them actually fell in that storm a year ago? I just want to let you know that we have extra thick willows, all our elders, Jostaberry, Portuguese kale seeds and much more on special offer at the moment. Good sniff. How are you doing, dogs? Oh, welcome back. Silly dog, silly.